What's up everybody? So I'm Tony from Tony's Professional Touch based out of San Marino, California. And in today's video, we're gonna be doing this GMC Sierra. We're gonna be doing our level 1 clay and seal package on this, and follow me along.
All right, Tony, hey, for people that don't know what a clay and seal is, what is it, man?
So our clay and seal is a detailed foam wash, clay treatment, iron removal, mini interior detail, and then our sealant, our paint sealant. And so what this package is more focused on is having your vehicle looking nice, clean, having the paint smooth and shiny and protected for about 6 months.
Now, it's about to get dark, man. How long should this job take you?
Around 3 hours, 3.5 probably.
You think you'll finish before it gets dark?
I'm going to try.
All right, man. And how much did this usually run you?
Price-wise?
Yeah.
Right now we raised our prices for 2022, so it starts at $250.
All right, Tony. So, hey, this is the first time you've ever detailed for this customer?
So this is a high school friend's grandma's vehicle.
High school friend's grandma's vehicle.
Yeah.
All right, all right.
So it's first time doing her vehicle, but I've done my high school friend's vehicles before.
So again, refer business.
Yeah.
Dang, Tony, you must be doing a good job, man. All your customers are referred.
Yeah, for the most part.
Now, this is a big truck.
Yeah.
Were you expecting this?
No, but it's all right.
Oh, all right. Just between us and the audience, they getting the homie hookup or?
Yeah, a little bit.
Yeah.
Because he booked in December, and in December I was doing what's it called? I was doing I believe 15% off. But since it was raining, I had to keep rescheduling him, and now it's January, but I'm still honoring the price that I gave him in December.
All right, Tony. First impressions on this truck. Is this what you expected, more or less?
I expected stock, so lower. That's about it, and it's actually not too bad. Like on the inside, it doesn't look too bad. So I'm hoping to spend most of my time on the outside, and then not too much on the inside. So that helps out a bit.
Got it. So what are you thinking? 2 hours, 3 hours, 2.5?
Hopefully no more than 3.
3. All right, man. So it's 2:46 right now.
Start like at 2:30.
2:30, so maybe 5:30, maybe.
I'm trying to get done before 5 because it starts getting dark around like 4:45.
Yeah.
So trying to knock it out before it gets dark.
Okay, worst case scenario, it gets dark. We just tough it out, or?
Yeah, I'll just bring out my lights.
And
I'll probably be doing finishing touches, which would be windows and wipe down, and that's about it. And tire dressing, possibly. I still have to talk to them and see if they want tire dressing or not. And then that's about it. Just the finishing touches is the last part.
Hey, since it's gotten darker, have you been working that night, or you call it off at like 4:30?
No, I've been working a little bit in tonight, but I'll usually get done like around 5:30 to 6 the latest. Sometimes, depending on how backed up I am on the day, I'll go to like 10. But I'd prefer not to stay out past 5.
All right, Tony, so we're moving on to a clay treatment?
Yeah.
What are you using?
Just a claymore.
Oh, okay. How come you like using that one? Because I know there's a sponge, there's a towel.
I like using a clay mitt, but for now I only have a claymore, and I still got to order some new clay mitts. So I don't want to use an old clay mitt. But
Okay.
Another like benefit from claymores is you can see visual point is there. So if you wanted to show clients and stuff, you can show them with this, but with claymores you couldn't, or with clay mitts you couldn't.
Oh, let me see this. So you're telling me, like right now, if the customer was like, hey, what are you doing? You see all that right there? That's what we're taking off?
Yeah, a little contamination on there. That's what's embedded in the paint, doesn't come off with the regular wash.
All right. And you could do a whole car with just one of those, or you need multiple?
No, you can do it with one, just gotta keep flipping it.
I saw the owner talk about his Mustang. Does he want anything done or not?
He was just looking at like what I would recommend. because he has some scratches on there, but it's his like drift car. Like he has fun with that car. So he was wondering if the scratches could be removed and how much it would be and if it was worth it. So the scratches, I could probably remove them. It'd have to be wet sanded. But the problem with that is when we wet sand, we're reducing the clear coat and the car sits outside in the sun all day. Plus it can get scratches again in the future. So I didn't really recommend it to him because I know he's not gonna really take care of it too much. It stays outside, he has animals, they can get on top of the car and stuff, mess it up. So what he was thinking was he was probably gonna wrap it, and then once he wraps it, then we can ceramic coat it to protect that wrap a bit more. But yeah.
I got you, man, I got you. What about that car over there? What can we do to that car?
He's trying to sell it, get rid of it. Yeah.
I know you did 3 cars today. You woke up hell early, like what, 6? 7?
I woke up like at 5:30.
5:30? It's about to hit 4. How you feeling, man? You tired yet?
No, I'm still good. I'm just starting to get a little cold, starting to get a bit chilly. And if the sun was out longer, I'd probably be like a bit more energetic. But yeah, I'm doing all right.
Let's get it in.
Well, there you guys have it. That's how we do our level 1 clay and seal. Let me know in the comments down below how you guys do your level 1s. And if you want to see more detailed content like this, press the like button and don't forget to subscribe. I'll see you guys on the next one.